If you want to become a content creator, here's 3 things you don't need to do when you just start. Number 1, you don't need to find a niche. When you just start, it's important to share, to talk about what you are passionate about, to get a rhythm, to get comfortable in front of camera, and eventually when you share more and more video, you will find your voice and your niche that you can stick with to make many more videos later, not just a few trending ones that will burn you out after making 3 videos. Number 2, you don't need good editing skills. Don't get me wrong, editing helps a lot with retention and views with video, but when you just start, you don't need to have like, oh, I need to learn that cool tradition that is going viral on TikTok. Know the basic, just trim and the pause, and then adding some B-rolls, adding some music if you want, and then export it. It's the values that you bring in the video that makes me want to follow you, not the cool transition that you manage to do it in 3 hours of editing. So know the basic, take you around 1 hour to know how to do it, and then move on, focusing on the scripting, the quality video. And number 3, you don't need to post every day. I know a lot of people say you need to post every day to satisfy the algorithm, blah blah blah. You don't need to post every day, but you do need to learn how to batch the content. For example, if you do the YouTube video, you can batch 4 videos in a day, so you can schedule once a week in that month, and you just forget about it. You can focusing on doing researching and develop some digital products to share about later. Or if you do TikTok shop like I do sometimes, I make like 21 videos in an afternoon, and I just share it for 7 days and then just forget about it. So yeah, it's pretty easy to learn how to schedule the content, and I can't emphasize enough that batching and scheduling can help with your mental health a lot, and that's what you need to go the long way if you want to become a content creator. So yeah, that's 3 things you don't need to do right from the beginning if you want to become a content creator. And if you're an introvert who wants to become a content creator, I recommend you to watch this video to help you become a better content creator by the end of this year. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.